Yeah, good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, with merriment, with jubilation, with excitement in the air, I'm happy to announce to you that our long-awaited Kringle Love token is finally out. Guys, the admin has posted it on the blog. Other updates coming, but I want everybody with excitement just rush to your Kringle Cashback office and check. Guys, it is great, it is wonderful. You can now, for as many of us who have already gotten our MetaMask wallets, yes, it is now easy for us to go to PancakeSwap and buy the token. And guess what? And swap. Guys, as from March 1st, we'll be using this coin to make payment. So our program fee payment only for February alone is left. So as from March 1st, we'll be using our love token to what? To make payment. Guys, this is it. This is it. Indeed. TBC to the moon. Guys, until I come your way again, this is a great excitement and a wonderful and a great news. So guys, get ready. For as many who are out there who are still thinking, dilly-dallying, and procrastinating, wow, you are losing a lot. You are losing a lot. Come on board and don't forget that for as much coins you have in your wallet is the same quantity of the coins that of this Kringle Love token that will be given at the end. Why? Because 1 billion of it has been locked by the admin, and very soon, the next few months, 1 year, it will be released to all TBC members according to the quantity of coins they have in their wallet. So, guys, it's not a child's play. Don't joke with it. Within the few months that's left, you can acquire as many coins as you like. Attend meetings and pay your program fee. Thank you. Until I come your way once again, bye for now.